Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gordon Ramsay's marinara sauce. First, select the finest ingredients, as quality truly makes a difference. You'll need ripe, flavorful tomatoes, excellent extra virgin olive oil, and fresh garlic. Don't forget the aromatic fresh basil and oregano, which are key to achieving that authentic, rich taste. We'll start by preparing these foundational elements for a truly delicious sauce. Next, we'll build the flavor base. Heat a generous amount of good quality olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add finely minced garlic and sauté until it's fragrant and lightly golden, being careful not to burn it. Then, introduce your crushed tomatoes, along with a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Allow the sauce to simmer gently, uncovered, for at least 30 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Now it's time to perfect your marinara. Season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Stir in your fresh basil and oregano during the last 10 minutes of cooking to preserve their vibrant flavor. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding a little more sugar if needed to balance the tomatoes' acidity. A final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil just before serving adds a luxurious finish. Finally, your exquisite Gordon Ramsay-style marinara sauce is ready to be enjoyed. It's perfect tossed with al dente pasta, or as a rich base for dishes like chicken parmesan or classic meatballs. This versatile sauce elevates any meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.